I gave Filmwriter one sentence. An AI built to fix a city becomes the only thing that can save it. No shot list, no images, no edits. 24 minutes later, it handed me a 2-minute film. Normally, every text to video demo stops at a single clip. In the real world, a film is thousands of human decisions. How many scenes, long take, or montage does your lead still look like you're at 7? Filmwriter makes every one of those calls with a crew of Qwen agents and no human in the loop. Watch the crew of 8 agents. When the character sheet misses its locked wardrobe, an editor doesn't just try again. The editor corrects the exact violations and re-audits. A script supervisor grades every cut and reshoots breaks. Motion QA compares each animated take to its approved frame. Bad takes get reshot and must pass review to make the film. Even narration is checked. Lines that would run long get trimmed and are re-recorded. A legal and clearances agent screens every frame for trademark characters, logos, and brand marks. Then it checks that any on-screen text is spelled right and legible. Flagged shots get reshot until they clear the agent's quality control. Every one of those corrections is another model call, so each passive iteration makes the showrunner better. But it also runs up the bill. Balancing quality against the cost of all those extra shots is the real engineering problem. We ran the same logline 7 times while improving the agents. As an example, continuity breaks fell from 9 to 3, so the agents were allowing less errors through. It's honestly not fully baked yet. The hardest shots still slip. But that's the whole thesis. Every added pass with the agents makes it better. The system grades its own progress each time. When repeated errors emerge, it normally involves tweaking the agents to catch that newly identified problem. Here's what makes it a showrunner, and not a clip generator. It runs the show. And at the end, a finished film banks its cast so it can be used again in another production. The audited character sheet, the locked wardrobe, this moves us from one-off clips to episodes. Ask for another episode, and the same actors walk back on set. This is Lena, episode 1. This is Lena, episode 2, same face, same coat, different war. Every take of narration is transcribed back with Qwen's speech recognition. The voiceover must actually match the script, and every finished film grades itself on continuity, identity, beats, through line, and craft from the crew of agents, actual QA signals, not guesswork. When our own scoring maxed out, we made the system's judge tougher. Not every loop saw incremental progress. Some loops performed worse. However, with further refinement, AI will eventually be ready for prime time. 9 models on Qwen Cloud, 1 autonomous studio, self-correcting at every department running on Alibaba Cloud, Filmwriter, 1 line in and a full show out.